bruises on both my knees. To you, don't say thank you or please. I do what I want when I'm wanting to. My soul so cynical. So you're a tough guy, like a really rough guy. Just can't get him.
I want to say I'm so grateful for all of the doctors and nurses all around the world, all of the first responders, all the people keeping our supermarkets stocked. You are our heroes right now.
My heart goes out to people who have lost loved ones and also to people that are losing their jobs.
Baby, how do you sleep when you lie to me? All that fear and all that pressure. I'm hoping that my love will keep you up tonight.
Check in my pocket, got to get it on.